Hi guys, in the next lesson or lessons with me, you never know, I will show you how to embellish your work in peyote stitch. Actually, I will give you some ideas how you can embellish some pieces in peyote stitch what you made, how to do the sides, embellish the sides in peyote stitch if you want it for a ring band. I will have here, and you will see how you can add and embellish the sides so this thread is less visible for a ring band, for example. And I will teach you stitch in a ditch and give you some ideas how you can use it to get this dimensional look of your bracelet. So for the next lesson, please prepare yourself and make a strip with 12 beads. So 12, you remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and make something like how much I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 rows. 14, 15, and 14 rows. You can make even more, doesn't matter. So this is just the practicing. This is just that you learn also that, and then it's up to you where are you going to use these techniques in your designs. So see you in the next lesson, and for that please prepare yourself. Of course, don't forget the stopper bead and prepare yourself. We are going to work first on picot, how to embellish the sides in peyote stitch. See you in the next lesson.